respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is teacher. Dear audience, teacher plays an important role in our successful life and career. A good teacher helps us to be a good human being and a responsible citizen of the country. Respected viewers, teachers nowadays, the students are the future of any nation. So the development of the nation depends on teachers. Dear audience, what we want to be in life, it depends on our teachers to make it possible because teachers impart knowledge and information in our minds, and it is the most important thing that we learn from teachers. Well, they motivate and appreciate us to achieve our goals in life. Dear viewers, today we are witnessing the modern world and advanced technologies in every field of life. All this is just because of teachers. Today what we seeing around us, that is business, politics, medical and advanced engineering, all being influenced by teachers, dear audience. As we all know that education is the most important tool to be successful in life, and it has never been possible without a teacher. To value teacher, we celebrate Teacher Day, Salam Teacher, every year in Pakistan on 5th September. Dear audience, I would like to end with a salute to my teachers. Thank you so much and have a nice day ahead.